Hi, I'm David Baran at the Samtec booth at IMS 2025. Samtec is presenting several live product demonstrations that showcase products and technologies that address design challenges of complex systems, including 5G and 6G networks, test and measurement, phased arrays, quantum computing, and artificial intelligence. The star of the show is Samtec's Glass Core technology, or GCT for short, which enabled our customer, Nokia Bell Labs, to design a state-of-the-art mmWave radio on glass. GCT offers many benefits when compared to organic substrates. This includes excellent signal integrity, miniaturization, embedded passive components, environmental ruggedness, high-volume manufacturing, and advanced packaging capabilities. In this demo, we see many Samtec mmWave products, including compression mount board connectors in both vertical and edge launch designs, and our new NitroWave high-performance microwave cable assemblies. In the second demo, a Rohde & Schwarz ZVA vector network analyzer measures the insertion loss and return loss of Samtec Bullseye high-performance test systems. What's shown in this demo is our BE90A product, originally released up to 90 gigahertz with a new optimized launch showing usable bandwidth now to 105 gigahertz. The DUT includes the BE90A with 3 inches of cable, the PCB launch, and a small amount of trace. And the results are excellent. The next demonstration shows the stability and performance of Samtec's NitroWave phase and amplitude stable coax cable. The cable is subject to continuous dynamic flexing because it's connected to a video arcade game. Really, we are actively flexing the orange NitroWave coax cable and displaying the results in real time. The flexing is controlled by whomever is playing the game. And just to make it interesting, we added a shock and vibration box where we run the signals through a Vita90 VNX Plus module. We're measuring the insertion loss and VSWR through a 3-meter NitroWave cable from DC to 43 gigahertz with a Keysight VNA, and the results are excellent. For more information, contact us at rfgroup@samtec.com. I'm David Baran. Thanks for watching.